Hello, everyone. The bridge in Taiwan shook violently in the 7.2 magnitude earthquake. Everyone stood still in fear. The Kisner Bridge over the Nolichucky River in Afton, Tennessee, collapsed and washed away. Rare moment when killer whale hunts dolphin in Mexico. Everyone is excited to watch.
Hold on. Don't move.
뭐지? 터졌나? 아닌데?
상어가
아니다.
Suddenly and unexpectedly, two Korean fishermen were fishing when a shark jumped onto their boat. It is true that you can eat without working.
Whoa!
Just like in the movies, giant killer whale speeds up to chase fishing boat to hunt prey. I got goosebumps with the moment a 3-meter-long python was picked up by workers cleaning up the Dominican rainforest. Aren't they scared?
Oh my gosh, it's flipping cars!
Great white shark attacks diver cage, a species known as the world's largest predatory shark. Extremely dangerous. Do you want to experience it? Japan's 10-meter-long Momo-2 rocket crashed shortly after taking off from the launch pad and exploded. The girl plays innocently with her pet spiders. Is she too brave or too naive? The high-speed performance with synchronized movements by students from the Japan University of Sports Sciences left many viewers amazed and in awe.
Voor mij heb ik deze wel eens op YouTube gezien.
Close-up of a tornado in the vast ocean, it looks scary, right? Don't come close.
Wat een ding.
Davy wordt in de zee. Is Davy?
This was an underwater nuclear test conducted in 1958. The massive water column sank a large cargo ship. Close-up of lava flowing from a Hawaiian volcano like a waterfall. Although extremely dangerous, I have to admit it is beautiful and breathtaking.
地震！等一下，先不要放手，地震。超夸张的。
这个有7级了吧？
超过了。还在震哦，等一下。
Panic scene with lots of screaming. A 6.8 magnitude earthquake struck a 1,000-meter high mountain in Taiwan while a family was camping. Everyone held their breath waiting for the results, and I was nervous too. A landslide occurred near Joshimath, India, causing a large mountain to collapse onto the road. There were many people standing nearby, which was extremely dangerous. Shocking landslide at a coal mine in northern China. It buried a lot of machinery, like an earthquake just happened.
Tiếp chạy tôi này. Đừng quay hồi nhà chứ. Không phải phát trực tiếp đâu.
This is an unusual phenomenon before Super Typhoon Yagi made landfall in Vietnam, causing extremely brutal damage. Weird, huh? This is a blue blubber jellyfish, a type of jellyfish that lives mainly in southern Australia. Its color is beautiful. What a pity! The house collapsed quickly into the ravine during the historic flood in Connecticut, USA. This is a flash flood that suddenly came at an extremely fast speed. But how come this guy is still calmly filming the video? I don't understand. This guy was very lucky to catch this rare and strange glowing fish.
哇，它太亮了，好漂亮！
正口，
哇，
是个正口。
Oh my God. A 30-meter sinkhole suddenly appeared in the middle of a football field in Alton, a city in the United States. Luckily, no one was on the field.